Welcome to our channel bacareers. In this video, let us discuss about effective communication for business analysts, the key to business success. Importance of communication for business analysts. Central role of communication in bridging the gap between stakeholders and technical teams. Impact on project success. Types of communication. Verbal, written, and nonverbal communication methods. Choosing the appropriate method for different scenarios. Key communication skills. Active listening. Asking the right questions. Clear and concise documentation. Tools for effective communication. Use of collaboration tools like Slack, Jira, and email challenges in communication. Managing miscommunication, handling diverse stakeholders, and ensuring clarity in requirements. Best practices. Tailoring communication to your audience. Continuous feedback loops. Real-world examples. How strong communication skills have led to successful project outcomes. Hello and welcome. In today's video, we'll be exploring the crucial role of communication for business analysts and how mastering this skill can lead to business success. Business analysts are the bridge between business stakeholders and technical teams. Communication ensures the smooth flow of information, enabling a successful project outcome. Communication can take many forms, including verbal conversations, written reports, and even nonverbal cues. As a business analyst, understanding which form to use in different scenarios is key. Active listening, asking the right questions, and ensuring clear and concise documentation are fundamental communication skills every business analyst must develop. Collaboration tools such as Slack, Jira, and traditional emails help streamline communication, ensuring all team members stay informed. Miscommunication, handling diverse stakeholder perspectives, and ensuring clarity in requirements can be challenging. However, by actively listening and confirming understanding, these issues can be mitigated. Tailoring communication to your audience is essential. Whether communicating with technical teams or business leaders, adjusting your approach can ensure everyone is on the same page. Many successful projects owe their outcomes to strong communication. Business analysts who foster open, clear dialogue with stakeholders ensure that projects run smoothly and deliver expected results. In conclusion, effective communication is the foundation of success for business analysts. By mastering these skills, you can ensure clarity, engagement, and alignment across all teams. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.